Many of you are probably wondering whether you can make more money selling on Amazon or your own online store. Well, I've been selling on Amazon since 2015 and my own online store since 2007. And in this video, I'll give you my take on which platform is better, which one you should start with, and which one will lead to a better long-term e-commerce business. Now, Shopify and Amazon are two of the top leaders in the e-commerce world. Both will help you display your products in front of millions of potential customers, but they are completely different services. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that lets you build an online store without code. In contrast, Amazon is an online marketplace where you sell your products alongside other sellers. Now, if you're looking to sell your goods online, you're probably comparing Shopify versus Amazon, as both platforms have their pros and cons. Now, in this video, I compare Shopify versus Amazon in detail based on ease of use, which platform is easier to get started, pricing, which platform is cheaper, payment options, which platform offers more payment options, design flexibility, which platform offers more design flexibility and freedom, support, which platform offers better customer service, and then e-commerce features, which platform offers better selling features, and then finally there's traffic and sales, which platform will generate you more traffic and money. Now let's start with just the differences. The primary difference between Shopify versus Amazon is that Shopify is an e-commerce platform and Amazon is an online marketplace. With Shopify, you can easily create an online store where you have the flexibility to design the front end and sell whatever you want. You can build an e-commerce brand from the ground up with Shopify. However, you'll need to learn how to market your brand and drive traffic to your website. Amazon is an online marketplace that attracts 231 million unique monthly visitors just in the US alone. By listing your product on Amazon, your product instantly becomes visible to hundreds of millions of users without having to learn how to drive your own traffic. However, you're only allowed to sell products on Amazon that adhere to their guidelines. In addition, certain categories require Amazon's approval before selling, such as fine art, music, and jewelry. Now, selling on Shopify is like renting a commercial building for your business. You have your own space and you can use it however you want, but you'll need to advertise its location so people can find you. Selling on Amazon is more like renting a small store in a shopping mall. Thousands of potential customers visit your store when they're shopping at the mall. Although they aren't explicitly looking for your business, you will make sales because of the high foot traffic. So simply put, Amazon works best for individual sellers and small businesses who want a faster ramp up to sales, whereas Shopify is the perfect solution for businesses who want to run their own brand and website. Now let's just start with the Shopify Pros. You don't need any coding skills to build a Shopify website. It's easy to use and has an intuitive admin interface. Additionally, there's plenty of documentation available to guide you through the setup process. Shopify is also highly customizable. You can choose one of Shopify's many themes or third-party templates to design your own professional-looking store. Shopify also gives you access to 7,000 apps that aren't available to Amazon sellers. So for example, Shopify has an app called Point of Sale that unifies your online and offline stores by managing sales, payments, and returns, among other things. With Shopify, you can create a unique brand identity as you have full control over the product display and your branding. Shopify also offers more than 100 different payment options such as PayPal, Apple Pay, Stripe, and Amazon Pay. Shopify also has an in-house payment gateway where there are no transaction fees. Shopify also has no restrictions on what you can sell using their platform, except for firearms and other dangerous or illegal products. Shopify is designed to be suitable for online stores of all sizes, and it also hosts world-famous brands such as Heinz and Kylie Cosmetics. Here are the downsides of Shopify. With Shopify, you are fully responsible for building your own brand and driving traffic to your website. So you will need to learn how to use Google Ads, Facebook ads, and social media to advertise your products and build a customer base. It's also more costly to start selling on Shopify than on Amazon, as the cheapest Shopify pricing plan starts at $29 a month. Installing third-party apps to add e-commerce functionality further increases your initial setup costs. Now let's talk about Amazon. Here are the pros of Amazon. Starting an online store from scratch and driving traffic requires a marketing investment. Now, as Amazon attracts millions of shoppers every month, it gives your products instant exposure. With high traffic and superior conversion rates, selling on Amazon is much easier to start. Now, Amazon's user interface is also simple and easy to use. You only need to follow a couple steps to start selling on Amazon, such as providing your account details and adding product images and descriptions. Amazon also has a unique program called Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, which handles storing, packing, and shipping your products at low cost. and having Amazon FBA makes it much easier for you to run your business. Now, Amazon also has confident buyers. Since shopping online can be a hit or miss experience, shoppers are often hesitant to purchase from unknown stores. But because Amazon is a household name, you benefit from their reputation and their brand authority. It's also significantly less expensive to start selling on Amazon versus Shopify. You can actually start selling on Amazon for free. Now, here are the downsides of Amazon. There is high competition. There are over 10 million Amazon sellers and over 2 million are from the US alone. The competition is fierce and there's rampant piracy on the platform. Standing out on Amazon is extremely difficult. Amazon doesn't support third-party payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal either. They have their own in-house gateway called Amazon Pay, which only accepts credit card and debit cards. You also get limited access to your customers. Amazon owns all of your customer data, so you can't do email marketing, SMS marketing, or direct mail marketing. As a result, it's extremely difficult to generate repeat sales. Amazon also has a lot of restrictions on what you can sell and what you can't. They also restrict specific categories such as watches, jewelry, and sports collectibles. You will need to contact Amazon directly for approval. All right, so now let's compare the two head-to-head. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, then sign up for my free 6-day e-commerce mini course below. All right, which one's easier to use? Getting started selling on Amazon is much easier than Shopify because you don't have to build an entire website from scratch. To sell on Amazon, you simply need to register for an account and list your products. Setting up an online store on Shopify is easy as well, and like Amazon, Shopify has a guided wizard that walks you through the setup process one step at a time. However, there is a steeper learning curve with Shopify as you need to set up your domain, theme, shipping, payment provider, taxes, etc. Now that said, both platforms are intuitive and offer a minimalist design, easy navigation, and tutorials to help you get started. Shopify and Amazon are designed to be straightforward to set up for new e-commerce sellers. But in terms of ease of use and getting started, Amazon wins hands down, so the winner here is Amazon. Now, which one is cheaper to get started, Shopify or Amazon? Due to Amazon's high fees, selling on Amazon is more expensive than Shopify once your business generates a steady stream of sales. However, Shopify costs more to set up than Amazon when you are first getting started. Now, Shopify offers a 14-day free trial and 6 pricing plans that range from $29 a month all the way to $2,000 a month. All these plans give you access to core e-commerce features such as security, discount codes, unlimited product listings, and credit card processing. Now, on the other hand, Amazon offers only 2 plans as follows. There's the individual seller's account. The individual plan has no monthly fees, but you must pay 99 cents per item sold. You can't advertise or take part in Amazon brand registry, and this plan is suitable for sellers testing the waters before choosing to go all in on Amazon. There's also the professional plan. This plan has a monthly subscription fee of $39.99. You get access to more advanced tools such as promotions, ads, and inventory management, which are essential for running a successful Amazon store. Now, in addition to the cost that I just specified, Amazon also charges a referral fee for every product sold. The referral fee depends on the product category, but it's typically around 15%. Now, if you choose to use Fulfillment by Amazon, you'll have to pay another $2.92 to $150.94 per unit, depending on the weight, size, and the time of year. Now, the cost of selling on Shopify versus Amazon depends on your sales volume. So if you're making $100 in monthly sales, then Amazon will cost you $15, which is cheaper than Shopify. But if you're generating $10,000 in monthly sales, you'll end up paying $1,500 to Amazon, which is far greater than what you'd have to pay with Shopify. Now, because of Amazon's high referral fees, Shopify is a cheaper alternative for selling in larger volume. However, you must also factor in the additional cost of marketing and sales when you run a Shopify store. So in terms of comparing the two, I call it a draw. They're both around the same. Now let's compare Shopify versus Amazon in terms of payment options. Shopify offers many more payment options than Amazon with greater flexibility. So for example, Shopify allows you to accept PayPal, whereas Amazon does not. Shopify also has its own payment gateway called Shopify Payments, which does not charge any transaction fees. Now technically, Amazon doesn't charge extra fees for payment processing because the cost of payment processing is already kind of embedded into the 15% that you pay when you make a sale. However, Amazon's payment processing options are extremely limited because you can't accept PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or any other payment gateways. Now in contrast, Shopify supports over 100 plus payment gateways, including Amazon, PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay. These payment gateways have a transaction fee ranging from 0.05% to 2% depending on the plan and your payment options. Now for credit card payments, a separate credit card rate is applicable, which is around 2.9% plus 30 cents, depending on the plan. So the winner in terms of payment plans is clearly Shopify. Now which one offers more design flexibility? Well, Shopify is significantly more flexible than Amazon when it comes to design, and you have full control over your website and the presentation of your products. Designing your website is simple. Shopify provides access to 88 beautiful themes, which can be edited and personalized according to your brand. You can also find attractive e-commerce themes on digital marketplaces like Out of the Sandbox, ThemeForest, and Template Monster. Shopify literally gives you complete control over your site design, and every aspect of your site is fully customizable. On the other hand, Amazon offers no room for customization, and every Amazon listing looks the same. All Amazon pages have a similar layout and design, making it easy for sellers to create product listings and sell right away. However, uniformity across all pages makes it difficult for you to stand out from the competition. So overall, Shopify wins hands down when it comes to creating a unique brand image and having the freedom to design your own online store. So the winner here is Shopify. Now, which platform has better support, Shopify or Amazon? Well, Shopify offers much better support than Amazon, hands down. Amazon is notorious for outsourcing their customer support to India and other non-English speaking countries, and they often provide canned responses that are not very helpful. There's no phone number to be found on Amazon's site, and you have to struggle to reach a customer support rep over the phone. Now, in contrast, Shopify offers 24/7 phone and email support, and they've got tons of articles, tutorials, and guides that cover everything you need to know about Shopify. The Shopify Help Center is easy to browse and navigate. In addition, Shopify offers an extensive set of support options such as a forum, phone support, live chat, email, social media, and advanced specialist support. Their 24/7 support is always accessible for all merchants regardless of the plan. And like Shopify, Amazon also has a help center that answers frequently asked questions, and Amazon also has a forum where you can submit questions and discuss issues with fellow merchants. But in order to get anyone on the phone, you must request a call using the Contact Us button. And this button is often hidden because Amazon encourages its sellers to resolve their issues using resources such as forums, help pages, and tutorials. So overall, Amazon support is horrible, and you'll end up wasting countless hours trying to get a straight answer from a non-native English-speaking customer support rep. So the winner hands down here is Shopify. Now, which platform has better selling features and tools? Well, Shopify offers more e-commerce selling features than Amazon, but this is largely because Amazon is less flexible and does not provide you with your customers' information. Both Shopify and Amazon have powerful built-in features that help you manage your e-commerce business efficiently. For example, Shopify offers the following tools: abandoned cart recovery, an inventory tracking system, coupons and discounts, a point of sale to take orders at trade shows and flea markets. You can also add live chat, customer loyalty programs, email marketing, SMS marketing, and many more tools designed to retain your customers and generate repeat business. With more than 7,000 apps in the marketplace, the Shopify App Store has a solution for all of your needs. And if you're a dropshipper, Shopify offers many apps that automatically import products from AliExpress into your online store. Now, like Shopify, Amazon also offers many selling tools that make doing business easy, but fulfillment by Amazon is by far Amazon's best feature. With FBA, Amazon will store, pack, and ship your products so you don't have to worry about inventory. All you got to do is send your products to an Amazon warehouse and Amazon does the rest. There's a fee for FBA, but it saves the headache of inventory management, shipping, and returns. Now, both Amazon and Shopify possess a unique set of e-commerce features and tools which aren't found in the other. So I give it a tie here. It's a draw. All right, which one's better for generating traffic and sales, Shopify or Amazon? Now, Amazon has a massive advantage over Shopify when it comes to generating traffic and sales. Because Amazon gets 2.45 billion monthly visitors in the US alone, you can get instant exposure for your products to a huge audience. Now, the only drawback with Amazon is that the competition is fierce, and you must convince shoppers to buy from you over your competitors. Now, when you build a store on Shopify, you're starting from ground zero. Your website won't have any traffic, so you need to generate your own sales with Google ads, Facebook ads, search engine optimization, email marketing, SMS marketing, or blogging. Now, learning these skills takes time, and there's a significant learning curve. However, your website allows you to own your customers, and Shopify provides various marketing tools that give you complete control over your brand to attract repeat business. Now, with Amazon, many customers will buy from you, but you'll never know who they are, which makes it difficult to build a brand. But in terms of sheer traffic and sales, Amazon wins hands down due to its massive customer base. So the winner here is Amazon hands down. Now, which one is better for search engine optimization, Shopify or Amazon? Now, if you compare Shopify versus Amazon in terms of SEO, Amazon has a superior advantage, and here's why. When you build a store on Shopify with a brand new domain, you have little or no domain authority, which makes it difficult for you to rank on Google search. You must learn how to optimize your pages for the search engines and create content to rank on Google, which can be very time consuming. But when you list your products on Amazon, they can rank on the front page of Google right away. And this is because Amazon has high domain authority and their listings carry massive weight with the search engines. Now, if you list a product on Shopify and Amazon at the same time, the chances of ranking on Google are much higher with your Amazon listing. In addition, Amazon runs its own search engine, which drives traffic and sales for over 50% of the United States. So overall, if you understand both Amazon SEO and Google SEO, you will be successful. So the winner for SEO in this case is Amazon, hands down. Now, when should you use Shopify versus Amazon? Well, here's a quick overview. Shopify is an e-commerce platform and Amazon is an online marketplace. With Amazon, it's cheaper to start your online business, but it can get more expensive as your sales volume increases. Amazon owns your customer base, making it challenging to build a brand. Meanwhile, Shopify offers design flexibility and lets you customize your store however you want with no restrictions. Shopify has better customer support, and both Shopify and Amazon offer useful e-commerce features. Shopify has abandoned cart recovery, dropshipping, email and SMS marketing, and customer loyalty programs, whereas Amazon has Fulfillment by Amazon, one of the world's most advanced fulfillment networks. Now, the decision between Shopify and Amazon really depends on your budget and your sales goals. So you want to choose Shopify if you want to build your own brand and a scalable e-commerce business. You want to own your own custom domain. You don't want any restrictions on how to design your website. You have the time to learn about SEO and other marketing strategies, and you're willing to put in the effort to build a loyal customer base. You should choose Amazon if you want to make money as quickly as possible. You're on a limited budget, your focus is not on building a brand, and you don't want the hassle of managing inventory, packaging, and shipping your products. Now, when it comes to evaluating Shopify versus Amazon, you should eventually sell on both platforms to maximize your sales and your reach. In fact, you can easily integrate Amazon with your own Shopify store. The Shopify Amazon app allows you to own your own e-commerce business and promote your products to millions of customers on Amazon with just a few clicks. All right, so the million-dollar question is, what's the best e-commerce platform for you? Now, my recommended flow for new e-commerce entrepreneurs is to start out selling on Amazon and then transition to your own Shopify store once you've validated your product. Now, if you're on a budget and don't want to invest in marketing or designing a website, then just start with Amazon. And then once your Amazon store generates some sales and you get decent traffic, you should consider setting up a Shopify store to start building your brand. With Shopify, you can collect customer data and use it to grow your customer base. Now, ultimately, your goal should be to sell on as many platforms as you can to maximize your reach. Now, for a more detailed comparison of all the e-commerce business models, make sure to watch this video next.